Looking for it? Get it. Get it, get it. You can't reach? Get it, get it. All right. Okay, let's put it on the puzzle.
Oh no!
It's too heavy? Stretch, stretch. Oh, yeah. Good job. All right, put it in the puzzle.
Oh no!
Put it on the puzzle. Remember, her hat goes on top of her head.
Uh-oh.
Way to go. Okay, we gotta find the rest of her hat. Did you find it?
Yeah.
Get it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah. Yay.
That's the piece. You can't reach it?
Go.
Oh no. Try really hard. Stretch.
Yeah. Dad.
You got it.
Oh, go.
Okay, put it on. Put it on there. Right there. Way to go.
Uh-oh.
Okay, now we gotta find the rest of her body. Do you see it? Go get it.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Get it.
Uh-oh.
What's wrong?
Oh, good.
What?
Good. Yeah. Yay.
All right, get the piece.
Yeah.
All right, put it in the puzzle. I think you gotta turn it again. There you go.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, we're missing another piece.
Oh.
Oh, where's that one? Where's it? What's wrong?
Oh no.
What is it?
Yeah.
Where are you going? We're almost done with the puzzle.